Hey creators, students, marketers, and entrepreneurs. What if you could build entire projects with just one prompt? Not just a doc, but a full report, a website, a slide deck, even a podcast. All done in seconds. Sounds like the future, right? Well, the future is here, and it's called Skywork. Skywork is more than just an AI chatbot. It's your all-in-one productivity hub, a fully loaded AI workspace powered by smart agents who can research, write, design, and build all at once. Let's dive into what Skywork can do. First, sign up through the link in the description. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a sleek, user-friendly dashboard. Right away, you'll notice key features like deep research, reliable writing, and more, all at your fingertips. At the top of the screen, you'll find the search bar, your starting point. Below that, Skywork's main tools are laid out: documents, slides, sheets, web pages, podcasts, and a general tab for anything else. Let's begin with creating a document. You can either upload a file or just type a prompt. For example, I'll type, create a business plan for a sustainable loungewear brand targeting working mothers. Below, you'll see different content types to choose from, like general, research reports, blogs, academic papers, and more. I'm selecting general for now since it's fast, flexible, and works for most content types. After clicking Generate, Skywork will get started on your prompt. It may ask you a few quick questions. You can fill those in or let Skywork auto-select based on your input. Once you hit Continue, Skywork begins creating your document. It only takes a few seconds depending on the level of detail and your internet speed. When it's done, your content will be cleanly formatted and ready to preview or edit. Let's open the document in a new tab for a closer look. Here, you can view the complete business plan document, which includes the table of contents, detailed descriptions, core values, market analysis, marketing and go-to-market strategies, financial projections, and more. Skywork has generated a complete and well-structured piece on. You can easily preview the full document, switch to code view, copy the content, download it, or even share it directly, whatever fits your workflow. If you'd like to make edits, just click the Edit tab. From there, you can revise the content, insert new sections, or adjust the layout to meet your exact requirements. Skywork's document builder makes the whole process effortless, taking care of the structure so you can focus on the creative part. Once you're happy with everything, you're just one step away. Simply review, edit if needed, and hit Publish. Let's explore the next feature, Slides. Skywork makes building presentations smart, simple, and fast. With just a few clicks, you can create visually appealing, well-structured slides that leave a lasting impression. To get started, simply enter your topic or upload a file, click Generate, and let Skywork take over. For this example, I want to build a presentation on the history and impact of the Industrial Revolution. Once your request is in, Skywork gets started right away. Before generating the slides, it may prompt you for a few optional details. You can fill these out or let Skywork auto-generate them for you. Click Continue, and Skywork will provide a brief summary of what it's going to create. Then jump straight into building your slides. In moments, you'll have a sleek, professional presentation with every section clearly organized and visually polished. This particular presentation offers complete slides on the Industrial Revolution, covering its origins, key timeline, the textile revolution, steam power, the transportation revolution, and much more. If you'd like to make edits, just click the Edit tab. From there, you can revise the content, insert new sections, or adjust the layout to meet your exact requirements. You can easily preview the full slides, switch to code view, copy the content, download it, or even share it directly, whatever fits your workflow. Now let's take a look at the next standout feature, Sheets. With Skywork Sheets, you can generate detailed, well-organized spreadsheets using a simple prompt or by uploading your own file. Skywork takes care of everything: analysis, formatting, and structure, all handled intelligently by AI. To get started, just type in your prompt or upload your file, then click Generate. This time, I use the prompt. Create a quarterly sales performance tracker for a digital marketing agency. Skywork will ask a few quick follow-up questions. You can customize your input or let the AI decide based on your initial prompt. Once you confirm, Skywork gets to work. In just a few seconds, it generates a complete, ready-to-use spreadsheet, organized, data-rich, and fully editable. Here, you can see the complete quarterly summary, including service performance, regional analysis, account manager performance, and detailed data, all beautifully organized. You can easily preview the full sheets, switch to code view, copy the content, download it, or even share it directly. Now let's dive into one of Skywork's most impressive tools, the webpage generator, a fast and effortless way to create stunning, responsive websites in just seconds. All you need is a simple prompt, and Skywork will instantly turn your idea into a fully functional, beautifully designed webpage. No coding, no design experience required. This time, I used the prompt. Create a landing page for a wellness coaching business with a hero section, service highlights, testimonials, and a newsletter sign-up form. Skywork immediately gets to work. Before generating the page, it might ask for a few optional inputs. You can fill those in or let the AI auto-configure everything for you. Once you're ready, click Continue, and Skywork will provide a quick checklist. Then begin building your website automatically. Within seconds, your site is ready, complete with visually balanced sections, clean navigation, impactful imagery, and interactive elements like buttons and forms. The result? A polished, fully responsive wellness coaching landing page with all the essentials: a hero banner, services overview, testimonials, and a newsletter sign-up form, all neatly organized and beautifully styled. If you want to make changes, just head into the HTML or CSS view. From there, you can copy, edit, or export the code, fully customizable to fit your brand. That's the power and flexibility of the Skywork webpage generator. Smart design, done in seconds. Up next, let's dive into one of the most exciting features in Skywork: podcasts. Whether you're building a brand or just love to share ideas, Skywork makes podcast creation incredibly easy. All you have to do is enter a topic or upload a file, hit generate, and Skywork gets to work, writing a full podcast script and even producing an audio file. For this example, I used the prompt. Create a 3-minute podcast episode on the daily habits of highly productive people. In just seconds, Skywork delivered a complete podcast, complete with an engaging intro, a structured segment breakdown, and a strong call to action at the end. It even gave me the option to generate background music and voice-over tone preferences. Once it's done, your episode is ready to play, share, or download right away.
In today's episode, where we'll be diving into the power of morning routines, how successful people start their day. I'm excited to explore this topic with you today.
Absolutely. It's fascinating how the first few hours of our day can set the tone for everything that follows. Shall we jump right in and discuss how some of the world's most successful individuals kickstart their mornings?
Let's do it. One common thread among
The General tab allows you to request a wide range of custom content, including data charts, branded social assets, intro music, and more. Just describe what you want, and Skywork will produce it in the right format, whether it's text, audio, or visual. And that wraps up today's walkthrough. As you've seen, Skywork brings all your content creation tools into one seamless platform, from documents, slides, and sheets to web pages, podcasts, and much more. The link is in the description below. Go ahead and try it out for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more smart guides to AI-powered creativity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.